Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make wiggle major on Mega Photo and KineMaster. So if you want to make that cool wiggle major effects like in viral edits, today I'll show you how you can do it using Mega Photo and KineMaster, even if you are a complete beginner. So first, you can just open the Mega Photo app. Allow permissions if you just download the apps, and in here you can just tap on the camera or gallery icon and choose a photo you want to animate. So to do that, you need to go to the settings, and here enable this image video from library, and then you can just select your photos or videos. So let's say I'm going to choose a photo. In here, let's say I want to use this photos in here. Click on the photo, tap on a check icon, and now just choose the effect. Here you can just choose the one like until you find the wiggle or wiggle major effect. So you can just find it by swapping it. There's no name of the wiggle effect, so I'm not so sure which one is it. So let's say this one in here. Now you can just start coding by clicking on this video icon. Okay, so once the video is screen recorded or saved, you can just now close the Mega Photo, and then you can open KineMaster. Okay, just open the video that you just exported from Mega Photo, and then here you can add music, overlays, or text to finish the edits. So this is how it will look like. Let's play it. And now you can add anything that you want. So for example, I'm going to add tags in here. You can just write the tags that you want to. I'm going to just write wiggle, for example. Click on OK, and you can place the tags anywhere that you like. You can also add music by clicking on media and choose the music that you want. And once you're done, just click on this arrow up to save the result. So that's all from me. If this helped you, drop a like and subscribe for more beginner edits, and also don't forget to click on thanks. Bye.